The technology. Technology is an important part of modern life and helps people every single day. We use smartphones to call, send messages, and check the news or weather. Computers help us work, study, and even talk to people in other countries. With the internet, we can learn anything we want from home. Many people use technology to make their jobs faster and easier. Life feels more connected and convenient thanks to technology. In schools, students use tablets and laptops to help with their learning. They can watch videos, read online books, and do fun activities in class. Teachers use big smart screens to show pictures and explain lessons clearly. Some students even attend school from home using video calls. Homework is often sent and returned by email or websites. Technology makes learning more exciting and full of new tools. In hospitals, technology helps doctors care for sick people in better ways. Machines check a person's heart, blood pressure, and temperature quickly. Some people wear smartwatches that tell them about their health every day. Doctors can see test results on computers in just a few seconds. New tools like medical robots can help during difficult operations. Because of technology, more people are living longer and healthier lives. Even though technology is helpful, it can also cause some problems. Many people look at screens for too many hours each day. Some children stop playing outside because they only want to use tablets. Spending too much time online can hurt your eyes and make you feel tired. It's important to take breaks and spend time with family or in nature. We should use technology in smart and healthy ways every day.